Hey Dreamers, this is Mike, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the text on our perfume bottle. I did have a request to change the text to number one friend while maintaining the 3-layer text design, and so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is duplicate the black layer. So I'm going to go over here and duplicate it, move it over here so that we can see it. And I'm going to go down here to contour, and I'm going to click hide all, which just leaves the left one, which is what we want. And now we're going to select the other elements black, and we're going to click contour. We're going to hide all, and then we're going to turn on the N, the O, the 1, and the rectangle, and then turn off the left one. All right, so now let's go ahead and work on this element. So again, I'm going to go to contour, and I'm going to hide all. And we're going to make sure that that little circle element is selected, and it looks like the rectangle is automatically highlighted as well. Yep. So there you go. So your elements should look like mine on the screen. And now we can go ahead and add our text. So now we need to add the word friend. So we're going to grab our text, and I'm going to change it to a bright color so that we can see it. Let's go ahead and type in friend. We'll size it a little bit. You can determine where you want it. I just want to definitely make sure that it is centered horizontally. So let's do that. Okay. And now for this one, I'm going to highlight both of them, and I'm going to slice. All right. And now I do not need this anymore. I could delete it. And now we have the first part. We're going to make a duplicate of this. So duplicate that. And working on one of them, we're going to go to contour, and we need to take out the little holes, or the insides of the letters. All right, so now we have that one, and we need to do the opposite to this one. All right, now while working on this second copy, you want to change the color to something lighter so that you can see. I'll show you in a second why. So we are going to contour that out, and we are going to hide everything except for the insides of those letters. I gotta contour out the N. Oop. Okay. Oops. Contoured out the actual box too. I didn't mean to do that. There we go. All right. So you should have what looks like this. And right now it's not transparent, but check this out. So make a duplicate of your solid one, and make sure this piece, the yellow piece, is on the top. So you're going to right click and you're going to bring it to the front. And then you could put them on top of each other, and you're going to center them. And then you're going to come down here and go to combine and intersect. You're going to click away somewhere, and then you can go ahead and highlight one of the layers over here and move it away, and you could delete it, and then you can see you have this one left over. This is actually going to be the color of the text, so you can just make it whatever color you want. So this piece is the top piece. So let me show you where we're at so far. So now we're here, right? Now we just need to complete that little hole for the number one. So let's take this, and let's just center those together, and they're highlighted together. We're going to slice it, and we're just going to get rid of the ones we don't want. So we don't need that little guy. We don't need this. We don't need this. And then this can be our middle layer. So over in the layers panel, you can just make sure you have them set. So this is our top layer, this is our middle layer, and this is our bottom layer. And you can just put them all together and center it. And there you go. Now you have a number one friend.